Hey everyone, welcome to Case-Head single box break number 690 of 13-14 Upper Deck the Cup. The last event the break was the Edmonton Oilers on November 22nd at 6:42 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. So the current date and time, click refresh. It's currently Sunday, November 23rd at 12:42 a.m. Eastern Time. And we are live on Breakers TV here. Yeah, we've been getting some pretty sick cards the last couple days. 690. And we don't have any serial number tonight because we're pulling the first box out of a sealed case. So, turning us around here. Go over a case. I don't think it'll matter which our serial number is, but we'll show you guys anyways. 0580. Go over the seal. Shipping label. They get adders. It came from Universal Distribution. Sealed. Okay, so we're gonna roll a 6-sided dice. So first number we roll is gonna be for tonight. So the way its numbered is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So first number is for tonight, and second one is for tomorrow. So good luck, everyone. So we got box number 6 for tonight, which is my bottom left. And box number 1 for tonight, or for tomorrow. Turn those around. So good luck, everyone. Box 6 and 1. Set that right there. So box 6 is this one right here. So this is the one for tonight, everyone. 5677 is for tonight. So just set that right there. And this is box number 1. So this is for tomorrow night's break. Tomorrow night's 5011 is for tomorrow night. And then just the rest of the case. Just gonna move all that stuff away. So I'll show you guys the rest of the serial numbers from the case. Five 5010. 5678. 0440. And the last one from the case, 5009. So, on to our break for tonight. 5677. So, good luck, everyone. Also, just a reminder for people that have yet to register on our new breaker site, would really appreciate if you guys did. Post it below on the description, and for people on Breakers TV, it's posted right below our channel here. And we do have a couple cup case breaks tomorrow. I think there's 2 spots left in our random team one, 106 US per spot, and about 116 Canadian, so check that out. And on to garbage bags hung over there. So here we go, everyone. Good luck. Hopefully try another shield case. We've seen 2 shields and a few other nice cards the last week here in a bit. So we start off the break with a Brad Marchand base, 44 of 249 for the Bruins. It's a Shark, got a nice patch. The San Jose Sharks and Matt Irwin, 31, 249 for San Jose, Matt Irwin. And we have ourselves a redemption. Is a NHL Cup signature patches number 99. Oh, it's not the rookie one. It's just a Cup signature patches of Nathan McKinnon out of 99. So just a SIG patch version out of 99 for the Avalanche. So nice hit there for Colorado. You can message the code if you like. And follow that up with a Yari Curry Brilliance auto for the Oilers. Yari Curry. And we have ourselves a rookie masterpiece of Thomas Hickey. I think that's who it is. Yeah, the New York Islanders. Thomas Hickey. And a nice auto rookie patch of Josh Levo for the Toronto Maple Leafs. It's the bottom of Toronto there. 13 of 32. So there we have it, guys. So good start to our case. So Ronnie is on to box 3 or 4 tomorrow, waiting on case it still. Box 2 other case tomorrow, and we got double box breaks of Dominion.